All right, so here we have another one. It says the 6th term of an AP is 17 and the 13th term is 38. And it says determine or determine the 19th term. So here, this has nothing to do with sum, right? If it has everything to do with term, then we put the formula. And the secret to doing this topic is the things which they say with using words, write it down. So here they say the 6th term of an AP. How would we find 6th term? So we're going to write that for an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D, right? So the 6th term, so term number 6 will be A plus 5D. And they say that the 6th term is 17. So we can say 17 is equal to A plus 5D. Look at how important this is. This is beautiful. And we can have A as the subject. We can say 17 minus 5D is equal to A. And this is our equation number 1. So now what do they say again? They say that the 13th term is 38. So we can now go below and say term number 13 is equal to A plus 12D, right? A plus 12D. And they told us what that? They said it's 38. Just like here, they told us that the 6th term is 17. So where we have term number 6, where we have T6, we should remove and put 17 there. And we'll have our 17 being equal to A plus 5D, okay? Because that is the 6th term. So where there is this, we can remove and put 17. Does that make sense? And we can have 17 minus 5D is A. Here we have term number 13 as A plus 12D. And that is, the term number is 38. Okay? So we can say that 38 is going to be equal to A plus 12D. And what we're going to have is we're going to put that equation number 2 into equation number 1. Okay, we can even, there are 2 ways to do it. We can still make A the subject in this second equation by taking D to the other side and saying 38 minus 12D. This gives us A, and this is our equation number 2. Now, both things which are equal to A, you can make them equal to each other. So I would say that 17 minus 5D is going to be equal to 38 minus 12D. Now I'm going to look for D. How do I look for D? Who is bigger, 12D or 5D? It's 12D. So I'm going to take D to the side where 12D is positive because I want to make D the subject. So 12D is positive on the left, so I'm going to have it as 12D, then minus 5D. Then it's going to be equal to 38 minus 17. 12D minus 5D is going to give us 7D, and we can say it is equal to, we say 38 minus 17. Let's put it. We'll get 21. So 7D will be equal to 21, which means D is 21 over 7. If you take 7 to the other side, it will divide. It's multiplying on the left. And you would have the D as 3. So here, once we have D, we need A now. So it kind of reversed and it wanted us to find the A and the D, which is okay. We can go to any one which we said, and we can have this one which we said 17 minus 5D is equal to A. So you can say here, you skip some lines and you write 17 minus 5D is equal to A. And you have 17 minus 5 by 3 being equal to A. We have it as 17 minus 15 being equal to A. 17 minus 15 give us 2. So 2 is equal to A. And here we have our solution. So D is equal to 3 and A will be equal to 2. And here we have our 2 values and you are done. You're done. You've done exactly what you need. No, but here they said, no, we haven't done. We're not even done. This is a recipe for disaster. Determine the 19th term. So once I have A and D, I can find anything, guys. So I can now say T19 is equal to A plus 18D. Which is going to be my A is 2 plus 18 by D, which D is 3, okay? So I can go and say, what is 18 by 3? I'm going to have it as 54. So I can say it is 2 plus 54, which makes it 56. And I have my 19th term. And I've done everything which I need to do, and that is it, okay? Well done. So this is going to be your solution, and goodbye.